Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of stem cells. This is Stem Cells 101, where we'll explore what stem cells are, their incredible potential, and some of the amazing successes in stem cell therapy.
So what exactly are stem cells? Stem cells are unique cells in our bodies, with the incredible ability to develop into different types of cells. They can repair and replace damaged tissues, making them a powerful tool in medical treatments. One of the most exciting applications of stem cell therapy is in regenerative medicine. Imagine being able to heal injuries, regenerate damaged organs, or even combat chronic diseases by harnessing the power of your cells. Scientists are exploring stem cell therapy to treat various conditions, from heart disease and diabetes to neurodegenerative disorders and arthritis. The possibilities are truly endless. Here are some key benefits of stem cell therapy. Regeneration. Stem cells can regenerate damaged tissues and organs. Personalized treatment. Using your own cells minimizes the risk of rejection. Pain relief. Effective in reducing chronic pain and inflammation. Anti-aging. Potential to rejuvenate skin and tissues, promoting a youthful appearance. As we age, our body's ability to repair itself diminishes. When we're in our 20s, our bodies produce massive amounts of stem cells, which is why we can heal quickly and effectively from injuries. However, the number of stem cells in our bodies decreases significantly by the time we reach our mid-50s and beyond. With fewer stem cells, it becomes harder for our body to heal and regenerate. This is where stem cell therapy comes in, offering a promising solution to counteract this decline. Now, let's talk about some real-world successes. For example, stem cell therapy has shown incredible results in treating sports injuries. Athletes have experienced faster recovery times and improved healing of torn ligaments and tendons. In another case, patients with degenerative eye conditions have regained partial vision after receiving stem cell treatments. These are just a few examples of how stem cell therapy is making a difference. The future of stem cell therapy looks incredibly promising. Ongoing research aims to expand its applications to more conditions and improve treatment protocols. From healing spinal cord injuries to potentially treating Alzheimer's, the possibilities are staggering.
There's so much to cover about stem cells, and fitting it all into one video is impossible. We encourage you to ask questions and share what you want to learn more about in the comments below. We'll do our best to address your questions in future videos. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of stem cells. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on health and wellness. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. See you next time. This video combines various sources on stem cell therapy and has been condensed for ease of understanding. It is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.